Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Which state did PM Modi inaugurate infrastructure projects worth 60,000 crore rupees? Odisha. In which state did PM Modi launch BSNL's Swadeshi 4G network? Odisha. Which ministry released the report titled Children in India 2025? Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Which Indian Biosphere Reserve received a UNESCO tag in 2025? Cold Desert. Shirish Chandra Murmu was appointed as Deputy Governor of which institution? Reserve Bank of India. According to the Union IT Minister, which sector will become a major employment generator? Electronics manufacturing. The foundation stone for 7 new trains, including some Amrit Bharat Express trains, was laid in which state? Bihar. The India Meteorological Department issued a red alert for heavy rain in which regions? Saurashtra and Kutch. India's milk production crossed how many million tons recently? $239. A stampede in which city caused a death toll of 41 in September 2025? Karur. On which river did the Indian Army build new Bailey bridges in Ladakh? Shyok. India agreed to establish to cross-border rail links with which neighboring country? Bhutan. Which new species was named after the coastal town of Kanyakumari? Finless snake eel. Whose assassination attempt led to Hezbollah refusing calls to disarm? Hassan Nasrallah. What is the value of the Ukraine's arms deal announced recently? $90 billion. The world's highest bridge, standing 2,050 feet above a gorge, was opened in which country? China. Approximately how many health camps were organized under the Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar program nationwide? $9 lakh. The Environmental Accounting on Forest 2025 report was published by which ministry? Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Who was named the player of the tournament in the 17th Asia Cup 2025? Abhishek Sharma. Which country's minister protested over Asia Cup trophy presentation issues with India? Pakistan. Where was the ICC Women's ODI World Cup 2025 inaugurated? Guwahati. Which country swept the podium in the women's 10-meter air rifle at the ISSF Junior World Cup? India. Which cricket player retired internationally after a 14-year career in 2025? Chris Woakes. Which team won the Ryder Cup golf tournament in 2025? Europe. In which city is the headquarters of the India Meteorological Department where the solar system was inaugurated? Delhi. Who is the Defence Minister of India who recently called for real-time preparedness? Rajnath Singh. Which issue did Kerala Assembly pass a resolution against in 2025? Voter list revision. The currency used for electronic pilot licenses in India is? Indian rupee. Who was appointed Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India in 2025? Shirish Chandra Murmu. Which Indian state launched the N Proud initiative? Kerala. India won the 17th Asia Cup by defeating which team? Pakistan. Who is the current Defence Minister of India as of September 2025? Rajnath Singh. The MoU signed between IIT Ropar was with which defence entity? Indian Air Force. What was the theme of the International Translational Day observed on 30th September 2025? Human Trust and Translation. Which Indian state declared an emergency due to forecasted heavy rains in October 2025? West Bengal. Who was appointed Deputy Governor of RBI in 2025? Shirish Chandra Murmu. Who won the silver medal in men's discus throw F56 at the World Para Athletics Championships? Yogesh Khatunia. Which new technology cooperation MoU was signed between IAF and IIT Ropar? Indigenous Technology Development. Which minister called for real-time preparedness against security challenges in 2025? Rajnath Singh. Which Indian government program organized over 9 lakh health camps nationwide in 2025? Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar. Which state assembly passed a resolution against Election Commission's voter list revision? Kerala. What role did Himachal Pradesh Coal Desert Biosphere Reserve receive in 2025? UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. What security breach incident occurred involving an army intelligence leak? Leak to Pakistan. What did India and Bhutan decide regarding rail connectivity? Two cross-border rail links. Who was the Union IT Minister who announced electronics manufacturing as a key employment sector? Ashwini Vaishnav. What was the objective of the MoU signed in Nagaland involving NGB, JCI, and ICA Krijaf? Promote jute and natural fibers. What international observance commemorated on 30th September 2025 promotes access to knowledge online? Universal access to information. What is the currency used in the United Kingdom? Pound sterling. What is the capital city of Russia? Moscow. What is the currency of Nepal? Nepalese rupee. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.